Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set up and run Storage Sense in Windows 10. Storage Sense is a built-in tool within Windows that allows you to keep your PC clean, as it can automatically remove unused files to free up space. If you want to know 10 easy ways to speed up your PC, then click on the card now to watch a video of mine after this showing you those methods. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips if the video helps. Let's get into today's video. To get to the storage settings in order to turn on Storage Sense, first go to the main settings page by clicking on the cog icon within the start menu. In settings, choose System and then find Storage from the options on the left side. Firstly, you could turn on Storage Sense by using the toggle switch at the top of the page. However, before doing that, I would recommend changing the settings first. To customize the Storage Sense settings, click on the blue Configure Storage Sense or Run It Now link. In here, you can turn it on or off again at the top. Also, below this, you can change how often Storage Sense will run. You can choose as frequent as every day, or just to run it when you are low on disk space. You could also tick the box if you want Storage Sense to delete temporary files when it runs, and choose how often it will empty both the recycle bin and downloads folder. Again, you can choose whatever you want, but please double check all of these settings, as I don't want you to delete anything you want to keep. Once you're happy with the settings, you can turn it on at the top, and then you can simply close the window and you don't need to save anything, as it will save automatically. Alternatively, before exiting, you could choose to run Storage Sense now with your chosen settings to get more drive space instantly, by clicking on Clean Now at the bottom. And so that is how to set up and run Storage Sense in Windows 10 to help automatically free up drive space. I really hope I was able to help you today. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helped. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.